Hello guys, Art-Teeves here. This is the second part of my Stylized Robot Fireman modeling tutorial. In this part, I'll cover key stages of texturing this guy in Substance Painter. I do it in 4K resolution with texture padding set to 16 and subsampling set to 4x4. I put the highest amount of rays on all tabs and disable ID section because we won't need it. I use preset bronze armor material with modified color as my base metal material. I cover it with multiple layers of paint that have paint damaged smart masks applied to them. Each layer has a different color and also different balance of a smart mask. The initial metal layer has a slightly reduced height level. I use 3 different paint layers and few extra dust layers that will be added later on. Here we can use Dirt Cavities Smart Mask or some mask builder that fills up cavities and highlights edges. I copy the initial basic metal layer, set its height to 0 and apply a metal edge wear generator to it. We use it to highlight edges properly. Finally, I add a ground dirt smart mask to another paint layer to apply some dirt to our robot's boots. I also add some almost transparent leaks to give our robot some extra detail. After our material folder is complete, we apply a black mask to it and use Polygon Fill tool to only paint required objects. I make the copy of that folder, make the material darker, and use it to paint some frames and some darker elements of the robot. I apply a preset steel painted worn material to some aged and rusty parts and play around with its color. For nozzles I use the default steel gun painted smart material that's covered by a different paint layer masked with leaks. For eyes I use a modified default dusty plastic smart material. I also play around with dust on their edges. Then I create a slightly transparent black paint layer with high roughness and use it to fill all cavities. Finally, I cover all seams by creating a paint layer that has its blending options set to pass through on all tabs. Then I use the Clone Stamp tool to mask all seams. Thanks for watching guys. If you got any value from this video, feel free to subscribe to my channel for more stylized content. And most importantly, have a great day!